Okay, what we're going to do today on the camper is upgrade the suspension system. We're going to replace all these shackle bolts here, all in here, and we're going to replace the center. This is called the equalizer. Got a new one of those. So we're going to replace that hardware, and then we're going to repack the wheel bearings. And that's all we'll do today, and then we'll hit the other side after that. Okay, so I got the old equalizer out, and you can see here's one of the old bushings. It was failing. I pounded that out. It came out pretty easy, but you can definitely see it was not in good shape. And then here's the old equalizer. The rubber's still okay on it, but the new one's gonna be a lot better. All right, I'm all done with this side. Got that on, and the new bolts in the back and the front, and all greased up. Here's what the new shackle looked like. That brass fitting, I press in on the spring, on the leaf spring. Compare that to the old one. Look how much thicker the new ones are. A lot stronger. Here's some of the old bushings were kind of shot. Yeah, this one, bad shape. So all that's done. I'm gonna repack these wheel bearings, and then I'll just have to do the other side. All right, so we've cleaned up one set of bearings and brake drums. All ready to repack with some grease. Cleaned all that up. Here's my fancy bearing packer here. It's a little easier than doing it by hand. One thing I had with this one, the old seal leaked, and there was grease everywhere, and it got all over the brake pads. So I'm going to replace the brake pads, and since I'm doing one, I'm just going to do all of them. So I'll show those when I get them on here, maybe tomorrow. So here's the old brake shoe that was leaking. There's grease all embedded in the shoe there. It's not worth cleaning. I'm just going to replace it. And the magnet looks pretty yucky too. That's part of the electric brake system. And so I'm going to get a whole new assembly. It'll have all new parts. All right, just got the new brakes in today. That's what they look like. They come as a complete kit. You just bolt this whole thing on there. It's got the brakes, the magnet for the electric braking. When the magnet is engaged, when you put your foot on the brake, and this spins, the wheel makes it spin around, and you see the brake shoe moves out and applies the brake. So we'll just slap those babies on. All right, got the new brakes on, whole assembly, new shoes, everything, new magnets, got the spindles lubed up. There we go, it's all ready to go back together. All right, there we go, all done. Got them tightened up good and ready to go. Just put the wheels back on, and then on to the other side.